Jeff.
I'm Michael.
Have you seen our last snacking episode? If not, I do recommend checking that out before you watch this one.
So guys, you know the drill. We've actually picked out a couple of things we're going to try today, and we'll let you know whether it's a yay or a nay. So first up,
we got a Little Farm Thai pizza bread.
It's Italian, bro.
It's Thai. It says it's got Thai on it.
It's Italian flag, man. It's Italian.
Thai Italian. Okay? Thai Italian. Right,
whatever.
Let's crack it open.
As you can see here, Little Farm pizza bread. It's Italian.
This smells like garlic bread.
Yeah.
Smells like garlic bread. I mean, it's quite pungent. I would say it's quite pungent. It's not bad, you know. Just toast, but it's not bad toast.
It's not bad. I don't think it's anything special. Definitely not Thai.
It tastes kind of sweet, don't you think?
You've got a sweet, savoury taste at the end, yeah.
I quite like it.
It's not bad.
Alright. Next, we have these classic Heichou candies. I don't know, have you had these before?
Heichou Candy.
Heichou candies.
Banging.
It says here the orange peel is candified, which means intense flavour will come out. I'm guessing Heichou has the bits inside, right? It's going to be that the candy peel are the bits inside. That's
It's going to be like a jelly kind of thing.
Yeah, instead of the jelly gummy bits, it's the peel. Mmm, good.
Look, Heichous, they're always going to be better than your Starburst, Rutella. Like, we need to jump on the train of the Asian sweets. Like, these are banging. There's so much flavour. Right? It's so juicy as well.
Yeah.
For a sweet.
It's got the classic Heichou chewy bit, right? It's quite classic in flavour, but then the orange peel has this citrus fragrance. I'd definitely recommend picking these up.
Up next, guys, we've got one of the Japanese sweets. These are actually quite popular in Japan, like a Mentos cola thing.
It looks like a tablet. You know those Barocca tablets that you drop in the water and fizz up? Maybe if you drop it in water, it'll make Coca-Cola.
No, bro, it's sweet.
You can make Coke. Think about that. Fizz up.
You want to get a bottle of water and try it?
No, you try it. I don't want it to fizz up in my mouth. So if it
foaming.
Yeah, if I'm foaming in the mouth, then you know what's going on. Do you think it's going to be fizzy?
They don't really do fizzy sweets that often. So, talking about Barocca tablets, it actually comes.
It looks like a medicine tablet.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, Barocca. Did we buy drink instead of snacks?
Oh, there's only one way to find out, mate.
Crack it open.
So yeah,
you go first.
It does actually look like a tablet.
You go first.
Bob's up.
I'm hesitant to try this. Is it sweet?
It's a sweet. It's like the refreshers that we have.
Like candy cane, you know that hard rock candy.
But not as tough, it's really soft, like one little bite and it breaks.
I think there's some slight, is it in my head, there's some slight fizz going on here.
A tiny bit, like you can taste the sweet Coke and possibly a little fizz.
I don't hate it. I mean, would you buy again? I don't think I would.
It's nothing special.
It's a bit meh for me.
Next we have the Yakult yogurt jelly.
Sweet. Is it gummy sweet?
Yeah, looks like similar to gummy bears.
Yeah.
Now we actually bought a couple of these because they were really cheap. Gave a packet to my little brother and he absolutely murdered it.
I bet it's nice. Okay, you've built up high expectations now.
He killed the whole packet within seconds.
So those who don't know about Yakult, it's a probiotic drink. It comes in a little carton. It's usually, growing up in Hong Kong, it's very cheap, but you know, I don't know why it's so expensive here, but if it's cheaper, I'd have one a day. It's so nice. They are very, very soft. Oh, it's got a little yellow,
it's like
little Yakult shape. Yeah.
Forget our cola bottles.
That's cute.
Let's go for the Yakult bottles.
It smells like Yakult. It smells very much like Yakult. You're good.
This is a step above our cola bottles. If you've not tried Yakult before, you have to have it. It's the bomb.
Try Yakult first, the drink, and then get these.
Yeah.
Because then you know that flavour I'm talking about. I'm keeping these, by the way. Right, we're on the final one of the 5, the grand finale. The Irvine salted egg fish skin, crispy fish skin. From the last video, my previous lecturer from university, Harry, shout out, he saw it on the corner of his eye, these Irvine's fish skin, and he had these before, and he said, boys, you have to try them. It's that good.
They're that good.
Bold claim, high expectations.
Well, apparently, it's dangerously addictive.
Big statement on the packet. Is he going to back it up?
Well, one way to find out.
Mikey, open that. smell.
Woo! That is fishy.
Fishy. Oof. Very fishy.
Okay, you can see in the content, it is literally big ass pieces of fish skin.
Well, have you had these salted egg dishes before? Where there's salted egg prawns, salted egg ribs, all this stuff. I think this is the new level of Cantonese, Hong Kongese dish.
I've had salted egg stuff, but like not
when it's scrambled.
It's like you eat it with
rice,
actual food, yeah. Rice.
Right. Go on then, let's give it a go. Pass me one.
Boy, that's massive.
big.
Let me try to find a small one.
Smells good.
Yeah,
It's got that.
Really, you can really smell the.
You have salted eggs before.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And the egg yolk is very fragrant. That smell. Oh, let's give it a go.
Bottoms up, bro. I've got to be honest. I'm a bit disappointed.
Really?
Yeah. No, I thought just from the smell, I thought it'd be more flavour.
Alright, I do know what you.
The flavour's not as strong as I thought it was going to be.
As in, you expected it would be more savoury.
Yeah, exactly. I expected like something blown up in my mouth.
To say salted egg is not that salty. I think that's what it is, right? But I think the fragrance is there. You can smell and taste the sort of salted egg yolk essence. But I guess if it's really salty, then you can't have too many, right?
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, it's nice. Something I could actually like keep eating.
You know how we covered in the last episode, beer snacks?
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's another one of those, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think they could have touched on the flavour just a tiny bit more.
Sprinkle some salt in there. Done.
Salt Bay.
Pretty sure they're bad for you though. 86% of your cholesterol daily intake in one serving size. So 4 of these are 86%. But I mean, YOLO.
You can only have 3 more, bro. So, fire off with our favourites. I'm gonna have to go with the Heichous.
Candy peeled.
Candy peeled, mate. These were banging, soft, like so good.
My favourite. Can I pick 2? I want these 2. I love these so much.
There has to be one standout compared to the other.
Alright, I'll go with this one, the yogurt, only because I can destroy packs after packs and have them without feeling as bad. These are very naughty treats.
Gotta watch the cholesterol, guys.
Gotta watch that, be healthy. Right, that's it guys for this episode. If you love this content and want to subscribe for more, please do hit that button.
Yeah, guys, and if you do know anything that's weird and Asian, please hit us up. We'd love to try them out.
Peace.